Practice set 3.5. Question number 1. Ray PQ touches the circle in point Q. PQ is 12, PR is 8. Find PS and RS. Using tangent secant theorem, you can apply PQ square is equal to PR into RS. Substitute the values. You have PS as 18 units and RS is PS minus PR, that is 10 units. Study the given figure. MN is chord, RS is chord, intersect in point D. RD is 15, DS is 4, MD is 8. Find out DN. Two such examples are given. Let us study the property. If two chords of a circle intersect each other in the interior of the circle, then the product of length of two segments of one chord is equal to the product of the lengths of other two segments of the chord. So according to this, write down Mn into Dn is equal to Rd into Ds. Substitute the value and then find out Dn. Similarly, for the second part, you have Md into Dn is equal to Rd into Ds. Likewise, you can find out second value, that is Ds. Observe the figure. O is center of the circle. B is any point of contact. OE perpendicular to AD. AB is 12. AC is 8. Then find out AD, DC and DE. AB is tangent to a circle. OE perpendicular to AD. Use tangent secant theorem. AB square is equal to AC into AD. Substitute the value to find out AD. DC is AD minus AC. DC is AD minus AC. So substitute the value. CD is chord of a circle with center O. OE is perpendicular to DC. So DE is equal to EC. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. So here EC is 5 units. Perpendicular drawn from center to the chord, it bisects the chord.